Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose to a record high as uncertainty over the US presidential election boosted safe haven demand, with traders also awaiting economic data for cues on the Federal Reserve's policy path, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq falling as investors assessed a host of corporate earnings. Shares of Alphabet rose 4.1% after the company beat expectations for Q3 revenue and profit. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has surpassed $30 billion in holdings, reflecting increasing demand for the world's leading cryptocurrency. The world's largest asset manager reached the mark less than 10 months after launching its Bitcoin ETF, which began trading on January the 10th. The euro gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.1% in the last session after a 1.6% intra-session dip. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 0:30 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 10 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 3 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.